Alright, here's the table saw, all cut, all set up. All it is just a leg being held together with 2 carriage bolts on both sides. These cleats stabilize it so it don't move. Well, that's the floor that's uneven, but I'm pushing on it right now, and as you can see, it's fairly stable. There, the saw is held up by those 2 clamps right there and that bracket. One thing I had to do a lot of while I was out there on the job site was some shims to install doors. Here's the jig I made. Now, I like to have long shims, so I made this jig. And all it is, a piece of wood, about 2 inches wide. And no, it's about, 2 inches wide. And I use my radial arm saw to cut a line, a slant on it. And that screw is sticking out right there. That's to hold the wood so it don't move as I cut the shim. I'm gonna cut one so you can see. Now all I gotta do is plug the saw in because I have a block of wood under there holding the switch there. There's our shim. I had to make a lot of those. That's about it for the shop-made contractors table saw.